Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to do a quick PPF trick over here. When prepping the hood for paint protection film, or any panel for that matter, any panel that has got these sharp valleys, I'm going to go over how to properly prep these valleys so the PPF is going to stick in them perfectly. So let me show you how I like to do it. Okay, so I got the hood, it's already been clay barred and prepped. All I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do my final isopropyl alcohol wipe down. So I'm going to spray my 90% alcohol on this rag. And I'm just wiping down the surface that I'm going to be doing the PPF on. Now, I'm right over here at this valley. Most people would probably just want to give it a wipe down. What I like to do, spray my isopropyl alcohol in that valley and then really scrub it. You want to get that paint good and tacky. That way when you're doing your PPF install, that PPF is going to bite, it's going to stick in there really nicely. Okay, so I've got the majority of the hood installed. Now I'm just going to get these valleys down. All I like to do is just with my hand, I like to massage the film into place. Try and push all the air out as well. And you want to come along with your squeegee. You're just going to squeegee that valley down. The good thing with these super flexible pink squeegees is they can conform to that valley really nicely. And just like that, that valley's down. Now we'll come along over here and we'll move over to this valley. I got a bunch of slip solution here. There we go. We got both these valleys down just with slip solution. Now we do have the film popping up a little bit over here. All I'm going to do is just introduce a little bit of tack solution just to get that film to bite. So that right there is how you prep a valley with your isopropyl alcohol. And that's how you massage the film down into place and squeegee it down. And that's how you get film to lay down in these valleys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tip.